Alright, go find your Easter eggs.
Alright.
I must have miscounted. Okay, run. Let's see what you got. Oh, yummy, yummy.
16.
Mmm.
Found 16 items.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, what we got going on for our... Oh, aren't those pretty? They need to cook a little bit more. Yeah, let's flip them.
Some of them were done. This is kind of hard. Now I see what you were doing. This is kind of hard. I still don't want those just done.
Scoot them in together. No gaps. Towards the center. Alright. Looks delish. Let's give it about another 15 or 20 minutes. Alright. Happy Easter.
Yeah, you too, everybody.